everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back. I am back with a small daily food haul from Asda. So the last time I bought these was about a year ago, and I bought a lot of the boxes of them because they were on offer, so I went a bit crazy. Then I got sick of them, shoved them in a cupboard, and by the time I remembered about them they'd gone off, so I haven't had any since. So I just picked up one box. I picked up the Nando's Peri Peri Bag and Bake because it looks good and it was £1. Picked up these Kenko Ice Latte, you just add water. So they also do a coconut one which they didn't have, and salted caramel which I typically would have got, but I thought I'll just try this and see how I get on with it. I picked up Diet Blue Charge in Summer Fruits and Diet Blue Charge, not tried either of them. Picked them up so I could have one in the morning. Then I actually was in Asda yesterday and spotted these, and I wanted one, but they were £1.70 and I thought might not like it's £1.70. Glad I waited because I went in today and they were £1, so I just picked up 2 to try. I've got pinch of nom because if you watch my food hauls, I typically eat the same things. Like the salads and the bits for salads are for the person that I live with, and most of the other stuff's for me. And I'm just eating the same stuff, and I'm eating too many calories, I'm eating too much chocolate, which I don't show because I don't vlog every food haul anymore, but I just thought I'd get this so I could try a couple of recipes each week and just try different things because I'm stuck in a rut, and you know, some days I don't feel up to cooking anything and eat like I do the quick and easy option, but I just wanted to try something new, so I got that and I went to get this. So this is like a food diary, but it's got quotes in, and at the end of every week you get a new recipe. So I just liked this, and I did see it on Amazon earlier today and it was like £7, and I thought I wonder if they do it cheaper in a local supermarket so I can get it, so I can start it tomorrow or Saturday. So I found out it was £5 in Asda, so I picked it up and I really like it. So I'm going to start that Saturday, and I'm going to get stuff from here tomorrow to make. And that's everything that I've got. If you have any questions about any of these items, please leave them in the comment section below. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell notification button to get an alert every time I upload another video. I'll be back in 2 to 3 days time. Thank you for watching.